Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add SmartThings scenes widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on widgets. Now swipe up to go down. In here, expand the SmartThings section. Then select a scenes that you would like to use. So we have a single scene, 4x1 and 4x2. So drag a scenes widget and then drop it onto your home screen. Next, you need to select a location and select a scenes and then tap on done. Now you can have more than one scenes. You need to add it in. Now tap on done once you have selected a scene, and that's it. So if you only have one scene selected, there's only one will be shown in your SmartThings widget, and you can tap on it to switch it on, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.